Channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today, as part of my 12 days of SFX-mas, which if you're new and you don't know what that is, for 12 days in the month of December, I'm uploading a new special effects character tutorial inspired by Christmas stuff. So today I thought it'd be fun to do this Glam Frosty makeup look, which is actually inspired by Victoria Lynn here on YouTube. I've been following her for such a long time and I love so much about her work. I love her cinematography, her editing, her personality, her makeup. It's all absolutely amazing, and so it's really fun. I saw this look, I believe last year. I took a screenshot of it because I fell in love, and when I tell you what made me realize that I needed to put this makeup on my face was the abstract carrot nose. I love how it's just like a little blur on the nose. It works so well, and so honestly, once I saw that, I was like, I want that on my face. So anyways, with all that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this glam snowman makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to start off, I'm going to be taking my Graftobian Pro Paint in White Swan and taking a foundation brush. I'm actually going to be applying this all over my body. My favorite technique when applying body paint in large areas and you want it to look seamless and blended without any streaks is to definitely use a foundation brush for this process. I find that using a body paint flat brush or a flat foundation brush can often lead to streaking, and this just really helps blend everything together, especially when you move in circular motions. Then just taking some Johnson's baby powder and a large fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and quickly set this before moving into my James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette, taking this light blue color on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be using this to begin contouring my face and bringing that down to my neck and shoulders as well. Definitely making sure to blend as I go because this can obviously start to look very stark, and I definitely want everything to try and blend in as best as possible. I'm then going to be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, taking blue ice and going ahead and highlighting my features before going into my ColourPop Disney Designer blush in Enchanted Mirror and just applying this to my cheeks and the tip of my nose as well. Speaking of the tip of the nose, I'm going to be taking this orange eyeshadow and messily applying this to the tip of my nose, bringing it upwards, and don't worry about this being perfect. We actually want this to be a little bit more abstract and have some faded edges. I'm then going to be going into this light purple from the palette, and I'm going to be applying that right on top of the contour from earlier, and this is really going to help create a little bit more dimension in color. I'm then going to be going back into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, taking blue ice, and I'm going to be applying this to my brow bone to help highlight under my eyebrows before going back into this light blue color from the palette and just sweeping that into my crease to create a nice base before going into this slightly darker blue. And I'm going to be applying that to the outer corner of my crease, bringing that on to the center of my lid, and then definitely bringing that down to my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to be going into this darker sparkly blue, and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing but focusing mostly on the outer corner of the eye before going into my Villain's Misunderstood palette, taking Jetsam, and I'm going to be using my finger to apply this all over my lid and bring this up towards my brow bone. I'm even going to be applying it to the lower lash line as well, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. It's definitely my favorite in the whole palette. I'm then going to be going into my Frozen 2 Elsa palette, taking ice crystals, and I'm going to be applying this to the inner corner of my upper and lower lash line and then slightly blending it onto the lid as well before taking this black eyeliner and just applying this to my lower waterline. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills black liquid liner and creating a nice bold wing before taking some black eyeshadow and applying this to my lower lash line. I'm then going to be taking my NYX lip liner in red tape and going ahead and outlining my lips before taking my Disney Designer ColourPop Snow White lipstick and applying this all over my lips, and taking my ColourPop Villains Shadow Man and Bad Apple metallic lip glosses on top of that. I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyelashes by curling them before taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping that through my eyelashes, and then I'm quickly going to be going back into my red eyeshadow from the palette and just applying that lightly around the edges of my little carrot nose, and I'm going to be taking my Frozen 2 The Dark Sea Glitter on a stipple brush, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face and body. This is really going to create that snow iridescent look all over us, and it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. And to finish this whole look, I'm going to be going in with my E&E lashes in Cherry and just applying that to my upper lash line. And that is my completed Glam Frosty makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my makeup tutorials. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!